This video is a quick heads up of what you get when you buy a timing belt kit on eBay. And they'll say genuine 100% Acura with or Honda with Honda boxes and Honda parts numbers, and they're all fake Chinese bullshit. Even the water pump says Honda on it. I don't know if you can see it. See that? Even the water pump says Honda on it. They're all fake bullshit. My timing tensioner failed at 2,000 miles, causing me to bend a valve. You can see that. Let me spin it around. So here I am replacing the valve, bent valve, but that's not it. I have 3 of these MDXs, and my wife's 2011. 1 week later, the same thing happened to hers. And I'm big on maintenance. I take care of my, I did my timing belts, and it turns out these parts that you get from eBay are fake bullshit. And if you want to be repairing your blown engine and have parts all over your garage, if you look at all this shit that I have to deal with, it's so these pricks can make $20 selling cheap fake parts on eBay. Do not buy them. Make sure that the tensioner you buy is like quality Honda or Asen or whatever that is, Japanese name is. That's what I'm going to replace this with. They're like $80 online. But right now I'm putting this back together. I'm just doing this video as a warning to you guys. There's my catalytic and all my replacement parts from Honda. If you want to be rebuilding your engine, so this one lasted 3,000 miles. My wife's MDX, her 2011, this is an 04, her 2011 lasted 2,000 miles before the tensioner failed. And so as soon as I finish this, I got to bring the 2011 over here and do the exact same thing, rip the whole engine apart. And that's what you get. So do not buy a timing belt kit from eBay, because they're all fake ass Chinese bullshit, and they say Honda on them, and guess what? They are definitely not. Like I said, 3,000 miles on this one. I got 2,000 miles on my other one, and both did the exact same thing in 1 week. And so just warning out there, man. If just do not buy shit from eBay.